Good morning, class. Today, we will tackle Lesson 1 in Chapter 1, which is Understanding Compiler and Interpreter. Compilation versus Interpretation. Computer programming is the act of composing the selected programming language's elements in the order that will cause the desired effect. The effect could be different in every specific case. It's up to the programmer's imagination, knowledge, and experience. We have two different ways of transforming a program from a high-level programming language into machine language. One is compilation. The source program is translated once. However, this act must be repeated each time you modify the source code by getting a file. Example, an X file if the code is intended to be run under MS Windows, containing the machine code. Now you can distribute the file worldwide. The program that performs this translation is called a compiler or translator. Next is interpretation. You or any user of the code can translate the source program each time it has to be run. The program performing this kind of transformation is called an interpreter, as it interprets the code every time it's intended to be executed. It also means that you cannot just distribute the source code as is, because the end user also needs the interpreter to execute it. The advantages of compilation is the execution of the translated code is usually faster. Only the user has to have the compiler. The end user may use the code without it. Interpretation. You can run the code as soon as you complete it. The code is stored using programming language, not the machine one. This means that it can be run on computers. Using different machine languages, you don't compile your code separately for each different architecture. The disadvantages. Compilation. The compilation itself may be a very time-consuming process. You may not be able to run your code immediately after any amendment. The disadvantages of interpretation. Don't expect the interpretation will ramp your code to high speed. Your code will share the computer's power with the interpreter, so it can be really fast. What is Python language? Python is an interpreted language. This means that it inherits all the described advantages and disadvantages. Python interpreter. You won't be able to run your code without it. Fortunately, Python is free. This is one of its most important advantages. What is Python? Python is a widely used, interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level programming language with dynamic semantics.